In a world that never seems to slow down, there exists a place where time begins to lose its meaning. A space not built to impress the noise of the world, but to silence it. Here, everything feels intentional. Every surface, every curve, every flicker of light designed not for attention, but for emotion. You descend slowly, leaving the surface behind as if stepping away from everything that once demanded your urgency. The air changes first, cooler, calmer, and then the light shifts, soft, warm, almost alive, guiding you inward without saying a word. At the center, something quietly powerful waits, a gentle circle of fire, not aggressive, not wild, but steady, like a heartbeat that has always been there, waiting for you to notice it. Around it, the world softens, conversations become slower, thoughts become lighter, even silence feels meaningful here. You take a seat, and it feels like the space recognizes you, not as a visitor, but as someone it has been waiting for. The textures around you are not loud, yet they speak in a deeper language, one of comfort, of grounding, of calm strength. Everything invites you to stay a little longer than you planned. And as the warmth spreads through the space, something within you begins to settle. The tension you didn't realize you were carrying starts to loosen. The constant pull of everything outside begins to fade, as if it no longer has permission to follow you here. Time moves differently now. It doesn't rush, it doesn't demand, it simply exists, flowing gently like breath. Above you, the world continues its chaos, but down here, there is only presence, only now, only this moment held carefully between warmth and stillness. You realize that luxury was never about excess, it was about peace, about having a place where you can finally hear your own thoughts again, a place where silence is not empty, but full of meaning. And as the night deepens, the glow becomes softer, wrapping everything in a quiet embrace. No beginning, no end, just a feeling that you could stay here forever and the world would finally make sense again. In this space, you don't escape life, you return to it.